What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right before we're here today, guys, I got another mat for the car. I got these window deflectors. I'm not sure what you call them, a rain or a winder, but they're WeatherTech, and guys, I've always wanted these guys. I just couldn't find one that looked good, and these WeatherTech ones, I saw them in another court and they looked amazing. And the good thing about this is there is no sticky glue on the back of it, so I don't have to stick anything on. There is no nuts and bolts or anything for me to screw onto my modified my door, the upper part of the door, to get these on or glue them on there. These guys, you just pretty much put them in the mold, the door molding, the window molding rather, and pretty much kind of like how it is right now. Whoops. Cameras, I don't want to drop my phone, guys. Just picked up my camera. Hold on, let's try it. So pretty much exactly I'm holding it right now, and you just kind of fit them up in the right up in the window, the molding here, the window, the molding. I'm not sure, is that what you call it? Okay, I don't know, but you guys get the drift. Okay, so you just kind of fit them up in here, and that'll be it, guys. It's that simple. This is gonna make the car look really, really nice. So there's the car right there, guys. Couple more mods I've done to the car, which I'm going to talk to you guys about in the next video. So let me kind of set this camera up. Okay, so I'm going to bring this a little bit closer. So there we go. So we can actually see what I'm doing here. And all there is to it, guys, is I think you have to put in the front part of it first. Kind of, I don't want to break it, but put just enough pressure, and then I think that's it. Holy smokes. Now that was super easy. Just got a sticker on here I need to take off. Okay, I think I got it. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around, turn the camera around here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the window up to see if I think it's good. Wow. What do you guys think? I think that looks amazing. Jeez, wow. Yeah, buddy. That looks nice, guys. A really simple mod, but I'm telling you, it really, really looks nice. And I didn't want something that stands out too much. I didn't want something that comes out too much off the car, because I've seen a lot of those ones and they're too big. And in my view, they're not the best looking, but this one just really sits flush with the car. I mean, if you just glance at the car, you might think there's nothing there, but upon closer examination, you realize that wow, guys, so this looks amazing. Really, really nice. So let's try the other side. So I'm going to do the other side right now. This is the box that it came into. Same procedure. So let's try that again. That's okay. Hopefully my phone stays intact now. Come on, stay. Jeez. Stay. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, so let's get it out of the plastic here. This is really going to change the car, transform the windows. This looks pretty cool. So there you go, guys. That's what it looks like. Once again, same procedure. That's it. And just like that, guys, it's installed. Wow. That literally takes me, what, just a few seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the window up to make sure it's secured. And the good thing about it is once you close the window, then I guess it kind of goes up in here and push up on it a little bit and make sure it's nice and secure. That is not coming out, guys. And that is beautiful. So I'm gonna turn on the car. Let's try that there. Yeah, I wish I have a better cell phone mount, guys, but this is what I have, so it is what it is right now. Okay, so let's put the window up. Okay, nice. Yeah, usually when you first put the window up, it usually does that, and I guess every time you put it up more and more, you kept pushing it up to make sure it's secure. I'm thinking that's what he's doing, but so that went up all the way. Put it back up. Let's see what happens. Yep, and I think it's good. I think it's good. So what do you guys think? Wow. I think it looks amazing. So that looks awesome. That looks awesome. So there's the car, guys. What do you guys think? Wow. That really looks nice. It really complements the car. So guys, if you have a 2010, or actually 8 gen, actually I think from 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord, the coupe, this mod cost me $98, and it looks really nice, guys, and it doesn't take away from the car. It doesn't come out too much off the window, which I really wanted. It's almost like as if it's kind of flush with the window, but it just sticks out a little bit, which is really nice. I wanted that look. And right down here, it's, man, this is some really cool design. I'm like lost for words right now. This, something so simple yet still so beautiful, you know what I mean, that requires no screw, no glue. I mean, it's amazing. Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think. So this is the mod in my 2010 Honda Accord Coupe. So if you have, I think it's from 2008 to 2011 or 12 is the same. That is gonna look good on your car, and that cost me here in Canada $98, guys, for something that looks so amazing. And to set that up literally takes me seconds. Like, I'm not kidding you. Literally took me like what, 15 seconds, guys, to get it in place. And it's, once you get it in place, it's completely secured. The window's gonna keep it secured. And even when they put the window down, even when you put the window down, guys, it's really, from corner to corner, it's really tight, so it's never gonna come out. Plus it's also up in the door jamb or frame or whatever you want to call it. It's also up in here as well. Part of it is up in here, so it's fully secure. Just me doing this right now on it, oh my goodness, it felt like something that's been bolted on, but it's really nice. I really like it. So something so simple really transform your car, like wow. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and you know the drill. Go out, do good, seek peace and pursue it. You know, love each other and love God and live. Until the next video guys, peace.